Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if you've ever accidentally deleted your CapCut projects, drafts, or exported videos on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to recover deleted CapCut edit videos, including projects, drafts, and final export files. So stick around to the end because I'll also share a pro tool that can help you restore files even if they seem permanently gone. Understanding CapCut Files. Now, before we dive into Recoverit, let's understand where CapCut stores its files. On PC, CapCut saves your projects and drafts. Now, these are the editable timelines. And exported videos, the final rendered MP4 files. Now, if any of these are deleted or missing, recovery methods differ slightly. Common reasons for file loss. Now, here are the most common reasons you might lose CapCut files. 1 is accidentally deleting drafts or exports. 2, PC crashes or software errors. 3, formatting or cleaning up the wrong folder. 4, virus or system errors wiping temporary files. Knowing the reason helps pick the right recovery method. How to recover deleted CapCut files on PC. Method 1, check the recycling bin. Start simple. Check your recycling bin if you recently deleted the file. Right-click it and hit Restore. It will return to its original folder. Method 2, restore from CapCut Autosave. CapCut automatically saves drafts. Open CapCut, go to My Projects and check if your edit is still there. Even if the export is gone, you can re-export from here. Method 3, Windows File History. Previous versions. If file history is enabled, you can restore earlier versions of the folder where your CapCut files were saved. Just right-click the folder, choose Restore Previous Versions, and bring your files back. Method 4, use Wondershare Recoverit for permanently deleted files. But what if your files are permanently deleted or not in your recycling bin? Well, this is where Recoverit comes in. It's a professional data recovery software that can scan your PC and recover lost CapCut projects, drafts, and export. Just download and install Recoverit. Select the folder where your CapCut files were saved, and then let it scan and preview recoverable videos. Restore them safely back to your computer, and now this works on both Windows and Mac, so you're covered. Tips to prevent future data loss. Now, to avoid this stress in the future, regularly back up your CapCut projects. Save exported videos in a separate folder. Use cloud storage like Google Drive or OneDrive for important edits. And keep your PC clean by double checking before deleting anything. And that's it. You now know how to recover deleted CapCut edit videos, drafts, and export files on your PC, whether through Recycle Bin, Autosave, or recovery tools like Recoverit. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more editing and recovery tips. And let me know in the comments, have you ever lost an important CapCut project? And did you manage to recover it?